let's rock. Last time I talked about the fourth point under the COSO guiding principle of performance, which is implements risk response. So this time I'll talk about the fifth and final point under performance, which is develops a portfolio view. As a reminder, the COSO guiding principle of performance has 5 points. Identifies risk, assesses the severity of risk, prioritizes risk, implements risk response, and develops a portfolio view. A portfolio view allows management and the board to consider the type, severity, and interdependencies of risks and how they may affect performance. Using the portfolio view, the organization identifies severe risks at the organizational and business unit levels. Business unit risk registers need to be aggregated and normalized so they can be evaluated and prioritized across business units into an enterprise risk profile. And assessing cyber risks alongside other types of risks and overall business objectives enables proactive and effective risk decisions by company leadership. I've broken down how all this is done into 4 steps. Step 1 is ERM guidance. This involves receiving risk direction from the top of the organization and your ERM team. Corporate boards and executive leadership consider internal and external factors alongside with their strategy to determine risk acceptance levels and to balance resource allocation for risk treatment across the entire organization. Operational leaders then take the resulting resource and financial guidance and pass that on down to the business unit level. Step 2 is cyber risk assessments. In Step 2, cyber risk assessments are conducted at the business unit level. Understanding the guidance from Step 1 allows cybersecurity teams to work with operational managers to frame, assess, manage, respond to, and report on cyber risks within their business units and in alignment with the organizational strategy. Step 3 is risk treatment and monitoring. In Step 3, risk treatment and monitoring results are reported to organizational stakeholders. The risk determinations, decisions, and statuses are conveyed through the enterprise risk register and adjusted as needed. Step 4 is risk aggregation and normalization. In Step 4, the ERM team collects, aggregates, and normalizes risk register information. This allows the ERM team to report an understanding of actual and potential risks from threats and system failures to enterprise information and technology, create a risk taxonomy and normalize risk management across the organization, inform risk mitigation activities at the business unit level, and relate those to organizational strategy and budgetary guidance to prioritize and implement risk responses, and produce enterprise-level risk disclosures for required reporting, public filings, and even congressional hearings. Adjustments made to risk priorities, risk appetites, budgets are iterated back as inputs into Step 1 as updated ERM guidance. Congrats! You've made it through the third COSO guiding principle of performance. Next time, we'll move on to the fourth guiding principle, which is review and revision. As always, I love your comments. Please keep them coming. And if you want to have a direct conversation, just send me a message and we'll set something up. Thank you so much and have a great week.